Morning students, in today's class we are going to see the other new topic called project appraisal. So what do you mean by a project appraisal? Before starting of the project or any business, we have to appraise the thing what we are going to do, whether we are going in a correct process or we are going in a correct track. To know the track, whether we are going in correct track, so that process is called as appraising your project. That is called as project appraisal. So what we are going to appraise, what are the things which we are going to look on to the project, that is the thing is called as a project appraisal. Basically we have to look on the 5 major things, whether where we are technically whether it is feasible, or financially whether it is feasible, this is good for the economy, whether it's depend for the market, and adequate to the economy. These are the elaborate area which has to be looked on before starting off any project. So whether these things these things has to be looked on. So whether these things are benefited to the economy, these are the main things which has to be looked on before starting off any project. That is called as a project appraisal. The main objective of the project appraisal are 3 things. First one, the main objective is to whether it is related to the future expected demand, whether it will help for the future demand, whether it satisfies the future expectation of the people. So that is the first thing for evaluating the project, because any business we can't start based on the current situation, because the current situation it may be benefited, it may be benefited for 5 years. After 5 years if you look on, if it is not benefited, means it is a it is a waste of money to be invested in the particular business. So every business has to be started based on the future motive. The second one is determine various costs and benefits of the proposed action. The costs for the manufacturing of the product. So mostly when we look on can we take the example of the car manufacturing company. So the car manufacturing company, they are not take an example of Ford or whatever company, they are not using their own brand for the tire. They are buying the tire from different company which is available in the market, because the manufacturing of a tire cost is more, so they can't able to afford it because they have to spend it on other costs. So instead of manufacturing the product, they go to the dealer and get the tire from the particular other company. So that is called determination of cost. So we have to look on the market whether it will be to the cost benefit, or we will need more money to spend on it. So if we need more money to extra cost to be spent on it, there is the project itself waste. That is the second main objective of a project appraisal. And third one is to evaluate and monitor evaluate the framework, how the business has to be carried out. So these are the main 3 objectives of project appraisal to be done, and the need for the project appraisal. So the methods of the last one is methods of project appraisal. So what in methods, what the things we are going to look on it. The first one is financial appraisal. A financial appraisal in the sense how we are going to invest money in the business, whether we are going to buy the get a share from the public, or we going to invest from the invest people from the money. So invest public to invest the money, or we are going to get a loan or invest our own money. So this way we have to appraise it. If you are going for a share, whether it is good for the public, whether they have to face a loss, everything has to be looked on financially, whether we are going to waste the money, in what are the terms we are going to invest the money, what is the amount needed for the particular project, because everything is a economy motive. It's not only related to a single business, all the business are related to a single business. So the government and the other sectors will be very carefully. That's why we have a sector board to evaluate the project. So whether it is financially feasible, or the money needed for the project is effective, or it will succeed in the market. These are the things which has to be looked on related to the financial appraisal. Next one is technologically appraisal. A technology is the term which you use to manufacture product. What is the technical terms technology I'm going to adopt it. For example, before 10 to 20 years we have used a manpower to manufacture chair and table. Now we have a technology updated, where we got a machinery with the updated technology, with the cost and time and safety purpose are more implemented in the technology. So that whether they are following that particular updated technology, or if somebody is going to adopt a new technology, whether it will be feasible to the particular economy, it is good or bad, these also has to be noted down by adopting the new technology, whether other business in the particular sector will affect it. whether same technology is used by the others. So these are the things which has to be looked on in the technological appraisal, so that they can able to succeed in the market. The others cannot be affected in the market. Third one is economy appraisal. Economy appraisal in the sense, it's good for a market, is also called as a market appraisal. A market appraisal is a way the demand and supply of the particular product in the market, whether the particular product is needed in the market, whether the publics will be benefited from the product, or the will affect the economy or the environment which by introducing the particular product in the market. These are the things which has to be looked on by introducing the product. If it is succeed, whether our economy will be boosted, or if we, by implementing the product, whether the other sectors are facing any loss, means automatically only one business will be go up, the others will automatically go down. So in that way they have to look on for the economic beneficial appraisal. So thinking of others at the same way thinking of the particular business. So that particular business also got benefited, as well as the other business also should get benefited from this business. So in that way we have to make an appraisal, and if there is any changes, we can make a changes by appraising the thing. For that purpose alone we are doing appraisal, whether any technology changes has to be done, or whether any updation has to be done to the product, or any disadvantages in the product is to be found out, we can rectify it. The last one is a managerial appraisal. A managerial appraisal is related to the management who are going to carry out the business. So we have to appraise the promoters. For example, whether we can look at whether the particular person has a previous experience relating to the product, or how much of year of experience, why he is interested to manufacture this particular product, whether how many peoples are there in the business, who are the co-partners, who are invested the business, who are the working partners, how many people he going to recruit for the business. So this is the management side which has to be looked on to carry out the business. Since if the particular promoter is doing a fraud, by appraising the thing we can able to find out the promoter has done already the other business which is not benefit to the economy. So in what way, why he is doing the other business, whether he is going to cheat the same person, or whether he is going to do a nice business. These are the things which has to be seen on the management side, because who is going to be affected is peoples are going to be get affected. So in this way a manager appraisal has to be done to know what is the management side, how they are going to carry out the work. These are the there are one more appraisal called, we can divide the economical appraisal into economical appraisal and market appraisal. Economy, which related to the country side, how it benefit the country by introducing the product, and by introducing the product. A market appraisal is related to the market which is going to implement the product, who is going to target customer, who is how the customer will be benefited, whether the customers are needed for the product. So these are the two things which we can, otherwise we can mingle economic appraisal into economy as well as market. Otherwise we can divide economy separately, market appraisal separately. These are the appraisal which has to be done before implementing of any project. So thank you girls, I hope you would have understand what do you mean by project appraisal, what is the objective and the methods to be done in the project appraisal. Thank you girls.